Welcome. This video I'll show you how to delete incognito browser history on Android. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, while incognito right here or incognito mode doesn't save history locally, okay, closing the tab is the first step to remove the traces stored in the device's DNS cache. So just swipe up to close it. Check it out right here. If it's closed, well, you're good to go. Now, if you want to do further steps, you can go ahead over to the browser. Okay. Do not open the incognito tab. Okay. So what you'll do is just go ahead and type down the URL, Chrome, like so, colon, /net-internals/ #DNS. All right. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just tap on clear host cache. Okay, tap on it, and once that's done, you're good to go. Now if you still want to make sure, if you want to close your browser data as well, okay, you can go back, tap on three dots right here, tap on settings. Now go ahead and scroll down to privacy and security, and tap on delete browsing data right here. Select all from all the time. Okay, select all, and once that's done, just tap on delete data and start fresh. You're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.